In this lesson, we will learn about generative AI chatbot features as well as some examples. With the features, we will see some examples related to text to image to image, as well as text to video. So let's start. Now the features of AI chatbots. I have shown these chatbots before here. Now the features, I have just amalgamated all of them. You can easily create logo, banners. You can also use it to code, fix your code, generate syntax. With that, you can also upload and scan images. This means that if you are having an image and you want the AI chatbot to read it, to scan it, that what does this image include? So our tutorial also includes that complete use case. You can directly ask that what does this image include by uploading any pic. Okay. With that, you can easily work, search and scan PDF documents. So 20 pages, 10, 20, 50 pages documents. PDF documents can be scanned within seconds, within less than a minute. So definitely it will save your time. It will save at least 5 to 7, 8 hours of your work. If you will summarize a 30 to 40 page document, you can write email, blogs and articles. You can also set the tone, the number of words you want. If you want storytelling for your article, you can easily add it. With that, you can easily find jobs, create resumes, cover letters from that resume. I told before that we can also use it for coding. You can also write advertisements. You can generate product timelines, fix the grammar, proofread your content completely, plan your vacations, generate hotel recommendations completely. You can write a meal plan, a fitness plan based on your recommendation. Let's say if someone wants a fitness plan without using gym equipments, exercise plan, so your chatbot can also do it for you. With that, you can also get gift ideas. In fact, in Google Gemini, you will also get images and the link to get some gift. Let's say you want a gift for a kid aged 6. You can mention, I want a gift for a boy kid aged 6. Then you will get relevant results. So these are some examples. I generated them using a text to image model. Let's say DALL-E. DALL-E is a part of Copilot now. You can easily generate images by just typing 1 to 2 line prompts. So this is how I generated it. I generated this a 3D line with sunglasses, a robo image, a dog playing on a road, and these also. This was text to image model. You can also generate them using Midjourney, GenCraft, DALL-E and others. This is image to image model. So I took this image from the internet. So these are the images of cricketers when they were kids, and this is my image generated by an image to image model. If you guys also want, you can go to GenCraft. There is an AI tool, GenCraft. Here it is. Okay, so these are the products, image to image. Okay, so this is you can use to generate your avatar easily. Now comes your text to video. I can't play this video due to copyright issues. It's on YouTube. Okay, so we can directly go to the channel and I'll show you there. Okay, so here it is. Okay, you can go to the official website of OpenAI, and here you can easily check the models, and here you can easily check. Here is the video. Okay, here is the video, and in this way you can easily learn about text to video model. I told you. Here it is, text to video model. Okay.